welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on Electron JS. Okay, so basically Electron JS is a framework for cross-platform desktop app development. Okay, and this is the official website electronjs.org, and so this is the command. So what you will be required is you will be required with the Node.js. Okay, so let me open my control panel. Okay, so you will be required with Node.js. Then okay, so that's it. You will be requiring Node.js and Visual Studio Code, which is the text editor for by Microsoft. Okay, so you will be requiring this, and you will be requiring Git. Okay, so these are the three dependencies. So let me just write it in Notepad. So in order to build a simple quick start Electron JS based app, you need these things. Okay, so to build Electron JS quick app, following things be required. Okay, first is the Node.js, second is your Git, and third is Microsoft Visual Studio Code. It is optional and recommended. Okay, so it is optional. So basically you will be requiring only two things, Node.js and Git. So if you have that, then it is more than enough to build a quick app on Electron, based on Electron. So for this Node.js and Git, you just have to go to websites. So this is nodejs.org, which is the official website for Node.js, and just download whatever the current LTS version is. And similarly for Git SCM. Okay, so this is the official website for Git. Just download the installer, and that's all you need. If you want to go with me, you can install Visual Studio Code. Okay, so here you can download Visual Studio Code as well. So this is the website for that. I will be providing all the links in the description below. So this is the basic stuff if you don't know and you're just getting started with. Otherwise, now if you're a developer or something, you will already using this. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I will open Visual Studio Code. Okay, and this is the terminal. You have to press Ctrl and tilde symbol. Okay, press Ctrl plus tilde ball at once. Okay, to open terminal in Visual Studio Code. Okay, so if you guys can see here, my default terminal is the command prompt, but maybe if you are using Windows 10, then most of the cases default is the PowerShell. So in order to change that, you have to go to settings. Okay, just search for terminal. Okay, here you can see the terminal option, and here you can see the which is going to be executed. So let's say if I have to use PowerShell. So what I need to do is I just have to go to PowerShell, open file location here, and just go to properties, and this is the path for PowerShell.exe. So just copy this and paste it there. Okay, paste it here. Then your default, let me just do that. So now your default okay, it's not saved yet. Let me do it that way. Windows system 32. Okay, and now if I open that, okay, okay, so that is the partial.exe path. Okay, so this is the path for partial.exe. So just need to copy this and paste it here. Yes, it's correct. Yeah. So now the just paste the path over here, whatever the bash prompt you or whatever the PowerShell or command prompt you want to use, and paste it here. And next time you press Ctrl tilde, your command prompt will be PowerShell, which is expected, but it is not. So let me check it again. What goes wrong? Okay, search for terminal, and I have it in settings, and this is the app. This should work. Maybe. Okay, let me just check it. Okay, let's try it with first git bash. Git bash here. Open file location. Go to properties. And this is the properties for git bash. So just need to copy and paste it here. So all it needs is the path to the exe file which you want to use as a default command prompt. Okay, so let me just verify. So now it is git bash. So why it's not reflecting here? Okay, so this is the path where you need to paste that. Okay, not this one. So this is the external Windows exec. So let me just correct that up. Okay, so this is what the external command prompt, and this is what the path to the internal or integrated command prompt or shells. You can see here integrated, which means this is the terminal which is integrated with the Visual Studio Code. So if you change it here, like said, let me just move to the PowerShell again. Okay, this is the PowerShell shortcut. Let me paste the exe path to here like that, and just click anywhere, it will be saved automatically. Let's just verify it again. So this is my terminal which is integrated and it is PowerShell. So next time I said, okay, so it doesn't take this system root path, so you need to have to get the proper path like that. Let me just browse to that, and this is the proper path it will take. It doesn't take system variables in the path. So okay, so let me just change it to PowerShell to show you guys. Okay, so this is how the integrated terminal will change to PowerShell. As you can see here, now it is PowerShell. Okay, so this is what the PowerShell looks like in the integrated Windows. Similarly for if you want to change it again to CMD, you can just paste the path over here to the command prompt. If you want to change the path to the git bash, you just have to open the file location of the git bash here, and then go to properties, and this is the integrated now your integrated terminal window or the shell window for the Visual Studio Code will be git bash, as you can see here. Okay, as you can see here, this is the git bash window. So that's it. So let me just again change it to command prompt. Open file location, properties, again that Windows System 32 and cmd.exe, that's the path. So let me change it to that, cmd.exe. So that's how you configure the terminal inside the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so again press Ctrl Tilt, and you can see here is the cmd for that, and this is the command prompt. Okay, now we'll start it with the electron.js tutorial. So if you go to the electron.js official website, which is the electron.js.org, then you can see here it is the QuickStart app. You can directly electron.js provides basically direct implementation, which is the simple application built on electron.js, and it is in the GitHub repository. So you just have to need to clone that repository. So let me just go to my desktop and I'll make a directory there which name electron tutorial. Okay, and I'll just clone the repository over here. So now it's done, it is cloned. So let me just change to that repository. As you can see here, this is the Electron QuickStart app. Okay, so as you can see here, we have already downloaded the electron.js app to our desktop. Okay, so I guess I just forgot to change to my directory. I'll just quickly delete that app. Okay, it's not allowing me to delete it. So let me relaunch the Visual Studio Code. I'll delete it. Launch the Visual Studio Code again, and I will change the directory to desktop and change again my directory to electron tutorial. Now I will clone that Git repository here, which is the electron QuickStart, and let me just open the folder electron tutorial, electron QuickStart, select folder. Okay, so now we have our app ready, and we just have to use npm install. So what it will do is it will install the electron specific node modules. As you can see here, it is installing the required node modules, and this is the electron package basically. So it will install the required node modules, and let me just use npm start. So what it will do is it will quickly start your application. So guys, this is the awesome thing about the electron.js. So you don't have to build or have to do the stuff regarding the building and packaging of the application. So it will be handled by Electron. You just have to need to do the code and to do the configurations required in order to generate the exes and the packages appropriately. So you just have to need the code, and you just have to provide the configurations to the Electron.js, and it will do the rest for you, like developing and building the packages for Windows or Ubuntu or Linux. So this is awesome. So that is all about the Electron.js. So let me just quickly show you how to build an exe installer. Now if you navigate to the Electron.js directory, as you can see, this is my app. Okay, so basically I will just quickly shortly explain you. So this is the render.js. So this file, as you can read it here, nothing that much here, but it actually whatever the rendering you want to do with the client and with your app, you can do the JavaScript code here. So packages.json basically includes the details, the informations, and the dependencies, if any. Okay, and main.js is your what you can say starting point of your app. It will create the main window, and it will set the initial page for your app, which is the index.html. So this is the beauty of Electron. What it does is it builds we can develop an executable app for Linux, Mac and Windows using the JavaScript, HTML and CSS only. That is the beauty. Okay, so let me just quickly show you how to create a Windows installer for the Electron. So let me just close it all. So if we navigate to the Electron tutorial and Electron QuickStart, so you can see now I have to generate an executable and exe file for the Windows installer. So exe will actually looks exactly like this. Hello world will be there. This is kind of an exe, right? So how to do that? So for that you need to again install npm install -g, and you need to install electron builder. Okay, so it will be done in a minute, or it will take some time. Yeah, it's done. So npm electron builder, and now all you need to do is you have to navigate to your Electron QuickStart app, which wherever your app and main.js and everything is present, and just you have to use build -w for making the Windows build, or you can see here build help. You can see here for the Linux you have to use -l option. For Windows you can use Windows or W, and for Mac you have to use M or O. So for developing the applications for the Mac operating system, you have to use the Mac operating system. You cannot develop Mac app on Windows machine. So that is the only thing, and rest let's just quickly build a Windows installer for that, for our QuickStart app. So it is now you know, by default whatever the configurations they have in their QuickStart app, it will generate an executable exe installer exe on top of that. So it is taking some time, and as you can see distribution, it has created another folder inside my QuickStart app folder, so which is distributables, and it is creating an executable exe for that as well. So if I go to my file manager, and here it is our executable installer for our QuickStart app, and it is exactly a similar kind of installation which we do for our Windows. So as you can see, the icon is created by default, and you can see it in the start menu as well, and this is how it looks like. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any comments or any doubts, you can post it in comments. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching.